Hibiscus tea is quick, easy to make, and has some great health benefits. Let me show you how to do it. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad you're here again with me today for another video. If you are new here, do subscribe. It truly does help support our channel and our smart business. And if you're back again for another video, welcome. I am so grateful for your support. Today we are making hibiscus tea from dried hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus tea is great for your heart health, your digestive health, has antioxidants in it, and also supports your immune health. So it's a great drink to enjoy and sip on the health benefits. If you do have specific health concerns, you should always consult your doctor for some personalized advice. All right, so let's get started. This tea is so easy to make. I'm gonna show you 2 ways to brew it, and you'll be drinking a fresh glass of tea in no time. We are starting with some dried hibiscus flowers. I bought these on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. I went to my local grocery store, but they were out of stock until the fall, so I bought these online. You may be able to find them in a natural grocery store nearby you. If not, I will drop some links down below where you can find it. What I love about hibiscus tea is that it's great for you, it tastes great, and it's so easy to make and very customizable. So let me show you 2 ways to make it. The first way is my favorite because it is the easiest. So you take a pitcher of water or a vessel, whatever you have, and fill it with water and then put the leaves in. That's it. And you let it sit and brew. You could let it sit for 10 minutes, you could let it sit for 2 hours, you could let it sit overnight. The longer it brews, the stronger it will get. I like a ratio of 1 to 4. So 1 cup of leaves to 4 cups of water. But of course, like I said before, the great thing is that you can make this drink as strong or as weak as you like it. And if you brew it the first time and it is too strong, you can add water to make it a little bit weaker. I filled our favorite Grinch pitcher with water, and I'm going to add 2 cups of dried flowers. We're just going to make them in. If they fall out, stick them in. And that's it. I'll give this a little stir. Not even necessary, and we're gonna let this sit until I remember that I made it, which could be a couple hours or it could be tomorrow. So easy. There is another way to make it, also just as easy, and your tea will be ready much quicker. I have my favorite French press. If you don't have one, I'll put a link down below. Any of them work, and you don't even have to have one. They're just handy, and I use it to make my coffee. This is one of my favorite tools in my kitchen. We're gonna do about the same, 1 to 4. This holds about maybe 3 cups of water, and we're just gonna kind of estimate it. So let's do half a cup, a full half a cup of leaves. And my other favorite thing, electric tea kettle. I use this every day. I make coffee and tea. It heats up the water so fast. Of course, you know, I'll drop a link down below. I found this on Facebook Marketplace, $5. The best thing about the French press is that you don't have to worry about straining out the leaves later or drinking around them. It presses it down for you. So we're gonna let this brew as long as you like, a couple minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. We'll give this a few minutes and then we will make some tea. Okay, we're back. Our tea has been brewing for a few minutes. While that finishes, I want to show you this one. So I made this the other day. I put a cup of flowers in here, a couple cups of water, and it was really dark and strong. I loved it. And I poured out all the tea and I refilled it up with water to see what happened. And I have another round of tea I can drink. It is weaker, but it still tastes good. Yum. Actually, and the longer it has sat, it's been probably overnight. This has been sitting in the second round, and it's just about as strong as the first one. You probably could do this a 3rd time. Once you drink all this tea, fill up the water again, see if you get another good batch out of it. Okay, our tea has brewed here, so I have a fresh pot of hot hibiscus tea. You can sweeten it however you like. I have organic liquid pure monk fruit sweetener. You could use honey. I like raw honey. You want to dissolve that in just a little bit of warm water, or some cane sugar. My favorite, which I forgot to bring out, is maple syrup. I love it. So I'm going to take my glass. I'm going to do a couple of drops of monk fruit. It only takes a couple. And let's do a pinch of sugar. And sugar is optional. Last time I made it, I didn't put any sugar in it, and it tasted great. Now I do love to add in some citrus. I either like to do lemon or lime. So today, let's do some lemon. I like to roll it first. And you can squeeze it into something else if you have a lot of seeds, or you can squeeze it right into your glass. Add in some lemon and press on your French press, pour in your tea, and it's that easy to have a fresh pot of hibiscus tea. And you can either drink it hot or cold, however you like. Cheers. It's a little hot, but it tastes great. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and please give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate the support. I'll see you next time.